Now let's look at our test results. Tap Menu, and then tap Results. The last 1 million results are stored in onboard memory. The last 1,000 are visible here on the screen. As you can see, we record all relevant test data, and all of that is visible on the screen. As we store so much data, locating and viewing the results you're searching for could be cumbersome, so we allow you to filter your results. Let's filter based on some criteria. Today we've had multiple failures on the asynchronous test, otherwise known as Program 2. First, tap the filter icon. Now select Date, and the date range we'll use is today. Next, we'll choose Program, and Program number 2. Next, we'll choose Part or Channel, and Channel number 1, the problem channel. Tap OK, and now we'll view all the results from Channel 1 that were run on Program 2. We also allow you to create custom reports. Tap the Custom tab. Let's create a custom report. Tap plus, and we'll add the date column. Next, we'll add a column for program. Next, column for part or channel. Next, we'll go to the pressure decay test and add in the test pressure. Finally, we'll add in the pressure decay loss value. All relevant information is displayed. If I forgot to add a column such as time, I can simply add it and then drag this to the area I wish. I have mobility of each of the fields. In addition, I can filter this data if I wish. Now with my new created report, I can export. Simply insert a USB drive, tap the share icon, and select anywhere from the last 20, the last 100, the last 1,000, or all results. I'll choose the last 100 and hit OK. And the data is now saved to the USB port. This menu also allows me to delete data. Lastly, a counters area allows you to see relevant data such as cycle since new, as well as data from various programs and various test ports.